Hey, Rena,
I am.
Fermentation Workshop.
Woo!
Wow, I was looking forward to coming to your fermentation workshop. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, I guess it's kind of a trendy thing these days to ferment food. For me, it's all about supporting your health from the inside out and creating habits that are sustainable. Pretty much most of our health starts in our gut. The benefits of eating fermented food are basically that they're filled with healthy, living probiotics and prebiotics, which essentially mean bacteria and yeast that form the building blocks of the cells in our bodies. So if we're feeding these cells healthy bacteria and healthy yeast that we've actually created with our own hands, then our whole body is going to function much more effectively. Does that make sense?
It does, but isn't it a little bit complicated?
Some people have a preconceived notion that it's complicated, but in my experience, it's actually quite simple. You just need a jar and vegetables. Some vegetables only require salt. Some people make this really complicated with like getting percentages and weighing. I teach a really simple ratio for mixing these things together, and then we'll put them in the jar in the workshop, and then all you have to do is take them home, open them up every day, and once they smell like they've fermented, you're ready to eat them.
Then you start being healthier.
And you start being healthier, exactly. And then once you know this simple method, you can repeat it again and again.
Great, thank you.
You're
So sign
welcome.
me up. Next time I'm in Israel,
You're
do a
there
special.
on me.
Thanks.
Thank you.